Meal Prep 101 for CKD, how to plan and prepare meals for the week. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're managing chronic kidney disease, you know how important your diet is. Today we're going to talk about Meal Prep 101 for CKD, showing you how to plan and prepare your meals efficiently to keep your kidneys healthy. So let's get started. Meal prepping is not just a time saver, it's a lifesaver, especially for those with dietary restrictions like CKD. By preparing your meals in advance, you can control exactly what and how much you eat, ensuring you stick to your kidney-friendly diet. First, let's talk about planning. Start by choosing recipes that are low in sodium. If you need the restriction, potassium and phosphorus, low in protein, plan a menu that balances these nutrients across meals. Remember, portion control is key in managing CKD, so adjust your meal sizes to fit your specific dietary needs. At renaldiethq.com, we have monthly themed meals that have 4 or more recipes that make a perfect meal for people with CKD, so head on over to the blog and check them out. When it comes to shopping, always go with a list and stick to it. This helps avoid impulse buys that might not be kidney friendly. Read labels carefully, watch out for hidden sodium or phosphorus, particularly in processed foods. Opt for fresh produce and meats over canned or packaged options whenever possible. Now onto the prep work. Here are some effective strategies for you. Batch cook meals that can be easily reheated throughout the week. Prep ingredients like chopped veggies or marinated meats in advance. Store meals in airtight containers to keep them fresh and nutritious. For cooking, remember to use herbs and spices instead of salt to enhance flavor. If you're using high potassium vegetables, you can reduce their potassium content by double boiling them. And always choose lean cuts of meats for cooking, as these are better for your kidney health. Let's walk through a sample meal plan. For breakfast, you might kick off your day with a low potassium fruit smoothie, think apples or berries. Lunch, enjoy a grilled chicken salad loaded with a mix of kidney-friendly veggies. Dinner, a simple stir fry with beef, bell peppers, and a side of white rice offers a balanced meal. Snacks, keep it simple with apple slices and a small amount of butter or peanut butter. To wrap up, meal prepping when you have CKD can help you maintain a healthy diet and manage your condition more effectively. Experiment with these tips, adjust as needed, and you'll find meal prepping can become an enjoyable part of your routine. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more great content. Share your own meal prep tips in the comments below, and let's keep supporting each other in our health journeys. See you next time.